How to recover Project Sekai account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser and tap on the search bar. Now search for Project Sekai support and tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now enter your email address. Now select the form and tap on account recovery. Now tick the box. Now select the reason. Now enter your player ID. Now fill up all the details and tap on submit. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below.